Hello YouTube, in this tutorial we are going to talk about MySQL functions. Now those functions, MySQL functions, are not the same thing as your custom functions in programming language, because you can do all kind of messing arounds with those functions. With MySQL functions you can just use it or leave it, okay? And one of those functions is AVG, and it will be used to extract average number in some column, okay? So in our case we will work with price because that's kind of cool, and also we can use this available column here, column of available number of products, but that's kind of stupid. It will not yield us in reality any kind of result, useful one, but you know, we have some kind of numbers, so let's just fire up that function. Right, so the pseudo code or approach will be like this: select, and now you cannot say all because you are not extracting rows, you are calculating things. So after select you will say AVG, basically select and then name of function, and function of course uses brackets, and inside of those brackets we will use specific parameter argument. Now in our case that will be target price, so price, and after that we need to define name for a report. That's like a handle for report, for calculation. So as is a new keyword, and for example handle will be, well, AVG price. That's kind of cool. And after that we need to define location, from where, from table, stores, and that's pretty much it. That's what we need to run. Right, so let's actually do that. Let me just move this. So select, let's run function AVG brackets, target is price column, handle will be as AVG price or something. It's totally up to you what you want to type here. Something short and sweet, you know, understandable. Where I was? Oh yeah, so location, from table, which is stores, and that's pretty much it. So apparently we are relatively cheap, I don't know, $56.25, and in decimals, so that's nice. We don't have a rounding here to whole numbers, so that's kind of cool. Right, so as I said, this column is stupid for average function, but you know, let's use it for testing purposes. So select function, and target will be available column, report will be stupid one, from same table, stores, and there you go. So apparently we have 300 and almost 30 products in any of those stores. Yeah, as I said, really stupid report. It doesn't mean anything. I mean, it depends what you are selling, you know, I don't know. So yeah, that's about it. Very short tutorial. I don't want to bother you anymore. This is very self-explanatory. You know this from school, university, whatever. So I'm gonna shut up and render, and see you next tutorial.